Hi guys, now I recently unboxed this Soundcore and said I was going to do a sound test between it and the JBL Go 4 and then the Clip 5, as they were pretty well matched in terms of power, which I will do, but it just came to me and made sense to do one with the JBL Go 3 first, as the Go 3 is still a very popular little portable Bluetooth speaker, as I'm sure you know, despite the fact it's been out for a good few years now. But not everybody can afford to buy the latest version of whatever speaker is out at any one point in time. So yeah, it just made sense to put these two relatively old speakers against each other first before the Go 4 and Clip 5 against the Soundcore. Now at the time of making this video, you can get the Go 3 for around £30 on Amazon in the UK and around $40 to $50 on Amazon in the US. You can't get it direct from JBL at the time of making this video, as they're sold out, even the refurbished ones. Now the Anker Soundcore you can get for around £23 on the UK Amazon website at the time of making this video, but I couldn't find it directly on the US Amazon website, but I did find it on the MyUS Shopping website. Now I don't know if you're aware of that site if you're in the US, I guess you are, but you can also access Amazon, Walmart and eBay if you're in the States on that site. And at the time of making this video, as you can see, you can get the Anker Soundcore for under $28, and underneath that there's one for under $20, which is pretty insane to be honest, and that really does make the Anker Soundcore a real contender if you're on a low budget or you just don't want to spend much money on a speaker, but you do want something that sounds pretty decent. And I'm sure you'll probably be able to get the Go 3 on that website too for hopefully even less. So check that website out, let me know in the comments below. I'll leave a link to that site in the description down below. Now the Go 3 has Bluetooth version 5.1 and the Soundcore has version 5. The Go 3 has a single 37mm or 1.5 inch driver that delivers 4.2 watts of output power. The Anker Soundcore on the other hand has two drivers of the same size as the Go 3's, but each delivering 3 watts of output power, making 6 watts of output power in total, and they deliver stereo sound. So that's a real bonus in favour of the Soundcore, stereo sound from this one little portable speaker. Brilliant. Now I'm not going to get deep into the specs of these pretty old little speakers, to be honest guys, as the sound that's going to come through is really going to tell the story anyway, but on paper the Soundcore is already ahead as far as the sound goes, but we'll see in this test. As always, different music genres to give us a more complete sound test, as different types of music, as I've often said, sounds different often, not only through different speakers but also through the same speaker. And as usual, timestamps below guys to switch between tracks, but do listen to as much as possible to get a true evaluation of this sound test. And guys, please do leave a comment below and tell me what you think.